Warning.
Hey, this is Mike, Dopamine Drive. Thanks for checking this video out. What you're about to see is many days of work synthesized into a short video for your entertainment. Currently I'm traveling, so I'm not working on the truck, but in lieu of doing that, I'm making a video for you, so hopefully you like it. Leave me a comment, tell me if you do like it, tell me if you don't like it, tell me if I need to change my style, tell me if you hit my voice, something, I don't care, anything. Helps me out. So hopefully you'll stay to the end, hopefully you like what you see. And I'll catch you back at the end for a short little outro. Hello, my friends. So it's been a few days now since I've filmed anything, and that's on me. But in the meantime, like what I have done since then, is I pulled the gas tank out and started preparing the body to come off the frame. I made a decision not to show everything related to taking the body off the frame, primarily for the fact that it's dangerous. I don't have a lift. I have some jack stands and I have a couple jacks, and I wouldn't want anyone to do what I'm doing here currently without having done it before. So for that reason, you're not gonna see what I do. Maybe I'll put some thumbnails together and make like a little montage of it just slowly going up without seeing what I'm doing. But I wouldn't wanna portray that this is easy to anybody who hasn't done it before, so I'm not going to. Let's go. following day, I was supposed to have an individual come pick up the frame. However, for various reasons, we were unable to link up for the next 3 or 4 weeks, just based on schedules and various activities. One of those weekends that we weren't able to meet up, I went ahead and welded some casters to the frame. Just thinking about how I was going to get it out, it just made sense to me that they had something to roll on. That way I didn't damage my floor, damage the trailer, whatever. So I went ahead and welded those onto there so we can get the frame out of the garage more easily. So that's what you're going to see next. I'm stoked. I don't know about you, but I'm excited to see that frame out of here. Unfortunately for me, there is no turning back now. There is no plan B. It's only plan A. Plan B would have been putting the frame back on. Yeah, it would have been difficult, but it could have been done. Now there is no chance. I can't put that frame back. I don't even know if I could source another one if I had to go back. So for now, we just keep moving in the direction that we started. If you enjoyed this content, hopefully I earned a like, maybe a subscribe. If you think someone else you know might like this content, please send it to them. There's a lot more of this build left, and I would like to have you along for the ride so that you can witness everything I'm doing here. The good, the bad, the ugly, you'll see it all. I'm gonna capture it. So I appreciate you. Thank you for hanging out. We'll catch you on the next one.